Blessings, blessings, blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Scissoring, savoring. Little is much with all in it. Today we are making vegetable turn cornmeal. Jamaican vegetable turn cornmeal. Let's begin. We need our cornmeal, mixed vegetable, garlic, chopped onion, chopped scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, just a small piece. Butter, 3 ounces of butter, and this is the butter I'm using, organic butter, and Indian head old-fashioned cornmeal, and milk. So I'm just gonna put everything together. I'm just gonna put the butter in the pot to melt. You can use butter or you can use coconut oil or olive oil. I'm gonna saute these. Make sure your hands are clean when cooking. I'm gonna saute these for 2 minutes. So these are gonna saute for 2 minutes. Now it's sauteed for 2 minutes. I'm adding the vegetable, and this vegetable is a pound of mixed vegetable. Now that it's all sauteed, I'm adding the coconut milk, 2 cups of coconut milk. And you add 2 cups of cornmeal, stirring gradually. 2 cups of cornmeal, and you just stir as you go. It's not like making porridge. Making porridge, you mix the cornmeal, but when you're making turn cornmeal, you just add it to the pot. It's just a little different. And you just stir as you go. You just turn and lift it. Just turn and lift, turn and lift it, turn and lift. Because you're turning the cornmeal, you're just turning it and lift it. And you can just leave it like this now for 25 minutes on low, very low, until it's cooked. There you have it, family. Jamaican vegetable cornmeal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Bye. Love you.